This will be a business audit and a concept website design for Wild Wolf Tattoo Studios. Um, we're gonna go ahead and go over some things that we think can improve your business and your tattoo shop, um, and as well as that website design that we developed just for you and completely designed with your brand and your coloring schemes. So we'll go ahead and get into that after this, but. So at the moment, right now, we do recommend that you update some of your information. At the moment, your Facebook is running a different logo than your Instagram and I would say your your shop too with your photos, your business logo. So I would recommend trying to keep it consistent. Google likes consistency. Well, most of the platforms like consistency. So if you can try and keep that the same, as well as in terms of consistency, we also recommend your phone numbers are quite off. You have several of them actually for your business, and right now, like for example, you have 81113. I don't even. This one has no number. I recommend you trying to put that information for your business. And 1933. I recommend trying to get a one number consistency. It's easier for your business. But we do have systems like that to help you in your lead. We do our website system can come with a CRM, so if you're interested in that, we can also help you build automations through that as well. But we'll get into that actually in terms of like, for example, we also notice you only have 35 reviews. We can automate that system and help you build and rank higher compared to your competitors, since your competitors right now, they're ranking a little higher due to pretty much due to most of their reviews and as well their consistent updates on their posts. Right now, your post in terms of pretty much most of your platforms, as I know as an artist, as your work, you post pretty consistently on your individual pages. I did check on each of your pages just to build the websites. All assets are yours. I don't intend to sell the concept redesign to anyone else if you're interested, but we'll get into that right now. But we do recommend trying to update your post. There are ways to automate that, and there are ways to batch it. We do batching, bulking. We recommend it if you want. There's this tool. This is why we have the Meta Business Suite open. We recommend it as it's free if you're interested. We use one on our platform that we recommend to use if you decide to go with the website concept, which allows you to use all three platforms. Meta Business Suite only allows you to use Instagram and Facebook. So just a thought there, but I do recommend all those things. Now, in terms of your website concept redesign, we decided to design a homepage for you to see if you would be interested in something like that. We would. So this is the concept we have right now. We tried to go with the bold uh, hero section representing your brand and enforcing your expertise with your tattoo rendering, your Google reviews, and your returning customer percentage. This is just an estimate where we can work with all the information can be edited in your liking, and but we went with this concept. Now, as we scroll down, we also decided to build like a. This is where your members would come and would put like a little description of the specific styles they prefer to work with, and they would each get their own page so that they can get a portfolio always out there. And we would update this for you every month with your hosting fee if you decide to go with that this form of work. And we continue on with that theme of your wolf pack group, your branding, and implemented your work at the background is there too to make sure that it all stays within your the work that you guys create. Now, we do go off and create a gallery section. This is just a group of. I recommend putting the group work of each of you That way, just a collection of the whole shop and what you guys represent. It would be perfect for your customers to see that. Along with, we went to create specific logo designs for you guys to represent your branding, and the steps on how you create those badass designs. To be honest, they're really good designs. Um, we then go on to move into this is like a lead capturing tool that I recommend. Download Ultimate Care Guide. It would link to a form where they can put their information, and then you would send that link. But that would help you collect data for your business, and that way, when you're ever running promos, we can also help you create like data reactivation systems to bring in old customers or customers that are interested but haven't actually like became customers. We can help you. We will build those marketing tools, and then we go ahead and create a contact page for you, like a contact section in your homepage, along with where you're located and a little contact form, which we can always create specifically for you, asking certain questions that your business needs. And then we went to a final hero section um, for your customers to try and convert easier. And then there's your footer with your recommended information so far. So yeah, that's about how we would help you improve your business, and this is the concept redesign that we would have gone with. If you're interested, please let us know. And if you know anyone who would be interested in a website for their business or would like to see a business audit for their business, please let us know.